budget high resolution resin 3D printers coming at you right now on 3D Musketeers. You wanted them, you asked for them, and you got them right here at 3D Musketeers. My name's Grant, and you're making awesome. We got a lineup for you in short format of some of the better, more affordable resin 3D printers under $1,000 US. So let's jump right into it. All of these machines are mono LCD. Some are 2K, some are 4K. If we don't mention it, they're 2K. And the larger ones, they're always 4K. Price points at $210 all the way up to about $800 US. But let's get into it. We got the Ellagoo Mars 2 at 129 by 80 by 150 millimeters. Yes, they're really small, but they can do crazy high detail. That's what resin printing is all about. The material is not generally all that strong unless you play with the tough resins, but you're getting stupid detail that the people that utilize FDM 3D printers, and by the way, if you're looking for that video, links will be in the description as well, could only hope for. Resin gets you effectively injection molding quality for nowhere near the price, because that Ellagoo Mars 2 is $210 US. We move into the Frozen Sonic Mini, which for some reason is on this list. It's another option, and I really think it's only good if you have other Frozen printers, because there's really no reason, because it is 120 by 68 by 130. It's smaller than the Mars 2 in every dimension. It's $20 more, so there's no reason for it. But again, it's affordable and it's a good printer. We have the Ellagoo Mars 2 Pro, which you'd say, well, wait a minute, what's the difference? It's got a seal around the vat. It's got a metal vat instead of a plastic vat, and it has filtered ventilation inside of the machine, which might be good. If you're wanting to learn more about that, please watch a long format video. But that one is $330 US with a build volume of 129 by 80 by 160, so 10 millimeters taller than the original Mars 2. Then we move into a 4K machine, the Frozen Sonic Mini 4K. Its build volume is 132 by 74 by 130. It is $399, so you're getting much higher resolution, which means finer surface detail. But in my experience, can't really tell the difference, and the consumables, including the vat, the screen, and the FEP, are more expensive on those larger machines, specifically the screen. The vat and the FEP are basically the same price. Then we move into the bigger 3D printers. We've got the Elegoose Saturn, which is 192 by 120 by 200 millimeters. Big resin 3D printer. You're looking at a $500 price point with a 4K 8.9-inch mono LCD screen. It's a great printer if you can find it. If you want to learn how to buy some of these machines, let us know in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and leave a like, hey, if we're helping you out. And of course, links to all these printers are in the description down below. We've also got the Anycubic Mono X, which is a 192 by 120 by 250, which when we first did all of our research was at $800, but is now looking somewhere in the $650 range, which puts it at a great price point if you don't want to wait for a Saturn to go ahead and get the Mono X, because I don't know about the rest of you, but an extra $150 for 2 inches is not that bad, especially when you're looking to make big cosplay parts. So let's level up your businesses with some resin 3D printing. There are some things to consider. We want you to take a look at our long format video to learn more about some of the considerations for safety on these machines. But TLDR of that, resin is toxic, wear gloves, resin is stinky, put it somewhere with ventilation or out in your garage where nobody can get to it. Please stay safe. Don't forget to call your loved ones. And as always, keep making awesome. Have a good one.